How to check your screen time usage weekly report on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on digital well-being and parental controls. Now in here, tap on the weekly report button. That is the one with the graph icon. And in this weekly report, information are presented in different groups. At the top here, it will give you the daily average screen time. And you can see at the top here, the report is for the current week. And it's showing from Sunday to Saturday. And on each of the day here, it will give you the screen time usage. So for example, on Sunday, I have used up 4 hours and 28 minutes. You got Monday, Tuesday. So you can tap on each of the bar graph for the day to view your current screen time usage for that particular day. And on average, altogether, my daily average screen time is 1 hour and 37 minutes. Now, if we go down to the next section is the games. So depending on what apps you use, you may have a different categories or different sections showing in here. And in here on my device, it shows games. So for games, I've got the Fortnite game. The time used on the game is 2 hours and 47 minutes for that particular game. And if you tap on the game, it will go into the individual game page. In here, it gives you information on the game. So here you can view information based on the week or daily. So if you select to view the report based on the day, it will be from 0 hour to 0 hour. So basically, this is a chart of the whole day, broken down by the hours. So here I've got 1 hour usage after 12 a.m. So between 12 a.m. and 6 p.m., these are the time when I use the app the most. Down here, app timer. You can also set an app timer if you wanted to. And it also shows how many notifications I have received from the Fortnite game app. And you can also tap on notification settings. In here, you can choose to allow or deny notifications coming from this app. Next, if we scroll down, we can also view how many times we have opened the app during this week, or in this case, on this particular day. And if I tap on back, then in here you can see all this information are based on the day that you have selected. So if we go down and go to the next section in here, it will give us the peak usage times for the week. So in here, on Sunday, the peak usage time is after 12. So you can see here after 12, the very dark blue is the peak usage time, and the light blue, the off-peak usage time. And here, if we scroll down, now we can also swipe across for more information. So here we got total screen time, and if you swipe across, it shows the most used category, and then swiping across, it will show the second most used category. So here we got games, and the second most usage, second most used category is image. And then lastly is the most used apps. So in here it shows you which app has been used the most during the week. So here again we've got Fortnite gallery. You can tap on each of the apps shown in here, and it will go into the apps and give you a breakdown of the usage for the app. So here we've got the daily usage, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And here on Saturday, I use the most for this gallery app of 1 hour and 15 minutes. And from this app, I have received 2 notifications per day. And I have opened up this app 29 times on average. I have opened up 29 times per day. And for the total week, I have opened up this app, the gallery app, 203 times. And that's it. So you can tap on the app to view a drill down information of your usage for the app. And down here is a screen time usage. So you need to first activate each of these features to have them reported. So screen time while driving, you can set that one up. And when you are driving, and if you are using your phone, it will show you which app you have used and how many times you have used your phone while driving. Similar to walking, you can monitor your device usage while you walk. So you need to tap on the start button to set it up, as well as volume monitor. And that is basically the weekly report for your screen time usage. Now at the top here, if you tap on the more button, in here you can choose to block notifications or receive weekly report based on the settings here. So you can choose to turn it on, or you can choose to turn it off. So here you will get a notification each week. So if I turn it on each week when your weekly report is ready. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.